What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Ricky Somborn, and today we're going to be learning how to play Everything I Wanted by Billie Eilish on the good old ukulele. So let's make sure your uke is in tune, and let's get to learning. So before we dive into the ukulele tutorial, make sure you hit that red subscribe button below if you haven't already. It looks a little bit like this. Click it, it'll turn gray. Also, if you want to be notified every single time I upload a video right here on YouTube, click the bell icon right next to the subscribe icon and leave some love in the comments below. I love to read everything that you leave me in the comments, and suggestions, recommendations, criticisms, whatever it is, let me know in the comments below. I would love to read them all. So with all that YouTubey stuff out of the way, let's go ahead and learn Everything I Wanted by Billie Eilish. So as of right now, there are 0 chords available for this song because this song just came out like a couple hours ago, but I wanted to, kind of be before everybody else, so I played around with it and I found what sounds the closest to the song for the ukulele and what sounds really nice, I think, for this song. So this song only has 4 chords and they are super easy. So the 4 chords that we need for this song are A minor, F, C, and D minor. So if you know how to play those 4 chords, you can skip ahead to the strumming part or the mini play along. I have actually uploaded as well the full play along. It's a separate video. I'll link it right up here. You can click that right here where it says click here. It'll take you to the full play along of this song. And I really like this song and I thought it sounded really nice. So go ahead and check it out. Also leave some love on that video. But if you don't know how to play those 4 chords and you want to learn, don't fret. We're going to go step by step on how you play these chords coming up. So let's pick up our ukulele and hold it. We're not going to do chords just yet. I wanted to let you know what the naming of strings and the frets are. So before we dive into the actual chords. So when you're holding your ukulele, the top string is known as the 4th string. And then it goes to 3rd string, 2nd string, 1st string. Okay, so it's 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you can see you kind of have these little separations on the fretboard. So this is known as the 1st fret. So from here to here, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th, 6th, and so on. So now that we have that down, let's go into the 1st chord, which is the A minor. So I like to play it with my middle finger, and I take my middle finger and I put it on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and it should sound like this. The next chord that we're going to learn is the F, and again, diagram will be up in the corner. So just like how we played with the A minor, we're going to keep our middle finger on the 4th string, 2nd fret, and then we're going to take our pointer finger and put it on the 2nd string, 1st fret, and it should sound like this. So the next chord that we're going to be learning is the C chord, and this one is also, again, super easy. I like to play with my ring finger, so we're going to put your ring finger on the 1st string, 3rd fret, and it should sound like this. And last but definitely not least, we're going to be learning the D minor chord, and this one is, again, pretty easy. So we're going to be taking our pointer finger and we're going to be putting it on the 2nd string, 1st fret. Then we're going to be taking our middle finger, we're going to be putting it on the 4th string, 2nd fret. And then we're going to be taking our ring finger and it's going to go right behind it, which is on the 3rd string, 2nd fret. And it should sound like this. And if you have a little bit bigger fingers like I do, I like to play this chord by basically keeping my pointer finger on the 2nd string, 1st fret, but then taking my middle finger and then going on both the 4th and 3rd string of the 2nd fret. So instead of having the 2 fingers like this, I like to just take this one and go on both strings, top strings, the 4th and 3rd string. And it just sounds exactly the same. So those are the 4 chords that you need to know. So now let's go into the strumming pattern. So now that we have the chords down, let's talk about the strumming pattern. There are two ways that I'm going to recommend to play this song. One is a just regular strumming, and the other one is a finger picking style that I like to call the 4-2-3-1. So let's go ahead and talking strumming. So the first one I want to talk about is the strumming pattern. Now this one is going to be probably for the beginners. You're probably going to want to use this one, and it's just down, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. So if we play the A minor chord, it would just sound like this. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. And then you'd switch to F, down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, up. And then C. D minor. So the second option for this song is the finger picking option, which is called the 4-2-3-1. I actually did a really in-depth tutorial on this actual finger picking pattern. So if you want to click right up here, I'll link to that video. But let's just kind of do a quick summary of it. So let's go ahead and play the A minor chord for this finger picking style. And again, the top string is known as the fourth string, and then third string, second string, fourth string. So if you think about it, it's the finger picking style. It's called 4-2-3-1. So we're going to be plucking first the fourth string, then the second, then the third, then the first. So if you do it a little bit quicker, it's 4-2-3-1, 4-2-3-1, 4-2-3-1, 4-2-3-1. So if you want to do it a little bit quicker, we can do 4-2-3-1, 4-2-3-1, 4-2-3-1, 4-2-3-1. So choose which one you want to do, either the strumming, which is the down, down, up, down, up, or the 4-2-3-1, which is this. So now that we've chosen how we're going to play this song with either the strumming or the finger picking, let's talk about chord progression. So this song is really easy in terms of chord progression because the entire song is just played with A minor, F, C, D minor. So again, it's just A minor, F, C, D minor. So that's the entire chord progression for the entire song. So if you memorize, it goes A minor, F, C, D minor. You have the entire song already down. So let's go ahead and just do a little mini play along so you kind of get the idea of how this song should be played. And as I mentioned previously, I will put a link in the description below to the full play along for this song. I will also include the full lyrics and chords also in the description so you can copy and paste it and sort of have it for yourself. Everything will be in the description below. Make sure to click open more so you can see all that good stuff. So now let's go ahead into the mini play along. So that is it for this video. I hope you liked it. I hope you learned something, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.